Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the 2026 WA Speed Event Series coming up, we've got a new race livery for the Falcon, so let's check it out. Well, there you have it guys, check it out. We got some stickers going on, we even got some graphics, and of course a big thank you to the main sponsor, Great Western Lawns and Cody. He's got a bit of a link to this car because, as you guys know, I've got the number plate. That was for one of my mates, Isaiah. It's actually his cousin, so it's a bit of a pretty cool that he's got on board to sponsor the car because, yeah, it means a lot. Also, the second sponsor is Music on Murray. And you guys can check both these guys out on Facebook. Music on Murray is a music venue in Perth that's up in Northbridge, I'm pretty sure, and on Murray Street. So, you know, if you ever want to see some live music, bring your own beer, bring your own alcohol. They got stuff going on all the time. So check out both their Facebook pages. But yeah, pretty happy to have these guys on board. And one of the cool things about these guys coming on board, which is Dutchy and Ursh and the crew, is my brother does the sound there. And of course, he owned this car before I did. So he's had a part in building it. And it's all full circle. So it's cool to have, you know, it's not just normal sponsors. We got people coming on board that have some connection to the car. So definitely pretty cool. And of course, the final sponsor is you guys. I'm not going to put up a members thing or anything like that. Just like, subscribe, watch. We don't make a huge amount from the channel, but it all goes back into the racing. And yeah, I appreciate everyone watching, and you know, all the people that have actually watched since the start. I know there's a few of you guys have been watching for a long time. I do appreciate it. So, looking forward to the 2026 season. We've got another video coming out where I'll tell you guys exactly what I've been doing with the car. A bit has happened, but I've had a lot of personal stuff going on in my life too. But I'll catch you guys up, and we've only got a couple of weeks later before the start of the season, so we're going to get into it. So once again, just want to thank the 2026 sponsors for coming on board. Can't wait for the season to start. So, till the next one guys.
See you later.